If you're confused about which hosting provider to choose, then this video will definitely gonna help you out. In this video, I'm going to compare two top hosting providers, which is HostGator versus HostGator. Here you might ask me a question. If I'm comparing top hosting companies, then why Bluehost isn't there in this comparison? Because Bluehost and HostGator both belong to a same company called Enduring International Group. So comparing HostGator and Bluehost wouldn't be so interesting. And if you ask me which is better among them, I will definitely tell you HostGator. But if you take HostGator into consideration, then which is best? To know the answer, watch this video until end. Hi friends, welcome to Fully Techie. Let's get started. HostGator versus HostGator. In this video, I'm going to compare them with these 5 metrics, which is price, features, performance, security, and customer support. Let's start with pricing. In terms of pricing, HostGator's base plan would cost you $1.39 and HostGator's base plan would cost you $2.75. So comparing the base plan, HostGator is definitely costlier than HostGator. For this price, you'll only be getting shared web hosting. And I don't recommend shared web hosting to anyone because in shared web hosting, your latency speed will be low. What that means is your website will load a little bit slower. We don't want that to happen. If that happens, our users will go to another website. That will increase our bounce rate, and if our bounce rate increases, we will not rank in Google. And ultimately, we won't be getting any users. So to avoid that, going to a WordPress hosting is always a good idea. So if you check the base plans of WordPress hosting, in HostGator it costs you $1.99 per month and in HostGator it costs you $5.95 per month. But here is a catch. You're not going to pay $1.99 for exact 1 month subscription. It is going to cost you $1.99 per month for a 4-year subscription, not for an exact 1 month subscription. And also in HostGator, you are going to pay $5.95 per month for a subscription period of 3 years. In total, HostGator's base plan for a 4-year subscription would cost you $95.52. And HostGator's base plan for 3-year subscription would cost you $228.33. In this round, HostGator definitely wins, but you don't take any decision just by looking at the prices. Let's see what you're getting for the price you pay. So next, let's move on to features. In HostGator's base plan, you can create only one website and you're limited to 10,000 visits per month, and you have to buy your domain separately. Yes, you don't get a free domain from this plan. Actually, the base plan is completely useless. Don't go for it. Go for the recommended plan. In that, you'll be paying $191.52 for 4 years, for which you'll be getting a free domain, and then you can host up to 100 websites within the same hosting plan, and here you'll be getting up to 25,000 monthly visits. And if you see the HostGator, that $288.33 for 3 years gives you a free domain and 100,000 visits per month. That's a huge deal. And here you can host only one website. So the decision depends upon your need, whether you want to host multiple websites within the same plan or you want to get more visitors. You take the decision and I will tell you my decision at the last. Coming next, performance. Actually, HostGator has more customers than HostGator. This is because HostGator has a better user interface. As a graphic designer, I can surely tell you a better user interface will give you better sales. And if you want me to create a website for your business, then do contact me through Fiverr. Link will be available in the description. And in terms of performance, both HostGator and HostGator provides a speed and uptime of 99.9%, which is pretty awesome. And in this round, both wins. Coming next to security. You can see two types of website URLs, which is HTTP and HTTPS. HTTPS websites are secure websites, and that's where SSL certificate comes in. SSL certificates provides an additional layer of security to your websites so that your users can enter their sensitive information like their banking passwords without the worry of your website being hacked. So here both provides a free SSL certificate. Again, both wins. Coming next to customer support. If you mess up anything in your website and you need a support, then you can mail to your hosting provider and get some solution. So in this, personally, I had a better customer support with HostGator. I mailed them about my problem. They replied me within a day and solved my problem. Here I don't say HostGator has a worse customer service, but what I say is HostGator has a better customer service than HostGator. So in this round, HostGator wins. And finally we came to the decision making part. Which one would I choose? So if you ask me, if you're a beginner, then go with HostGator because their plans are so cheap, and at this point you don't know anything about web developing, and spending a lot without knowing anything about it is not a good idea. So if you are a beginner, then go with HostGator. But if you already have a website and you're planning to upgrade your hosting provider, then go with HostGator. Because in HostGator you can get up to 100,000 visits per month. Because at this point of time you will be having some amount of users, and HostGator's 25,000 visits per month will not be adequate for you. And that 100 websites hosted in the same hosting plan is just a lucrative offer which is not practical, and you're not going to create 100 websites within the same hosting plan. And comparing the subscription price for 1 year, HostGator costs you $83 and HostGator costs you $101. It's a very small difference. Both the links will be given in the description. If you think you have learned something new in this video, then make sure you hit on the like button. That will help YouTube algorithm to push this video furthermore. And then subscribe to Fully Techie. And finally, thanks for watching.